Okay, for the next drink that we'll be preparing, so this is one of our best sellers sa Cafe 64, no? So we call this Ca Phe Suada. Pero instead of doing the traditional way in which we drip coffee, we have another take for this in which we are pulling espresso. So first, we will just fill this glass with ice. Then, lagyan natin siya or we'll add 3 pumps of our sweetened milk. Then we have here our freshly pulled espresso. So we use 64 blend for this. Pour lang natin siya on top of our glass. And lastly, we'll just add whipped milk. So maghintay lang tayo ng saglit lang para mag-fill in yung mga spaces ng glass sa ilalim. And mag-marbleize siya. Then, ready na yung Ca Phe Suada.